The crypto market is crashing and a lot of people are scared. In this video, I'm going to tell you what is going to happen on the job market for Web3 development after the crypto crash. If you are new here, I'm Julian, and on Eat the Blogs, we help Web2 developers to get into Web3. And before we start, quick announcement, next month in June, we are starting the next cohort of our Web3 Bootcamp. This is a 6-month program to turn you into a professional Web3 developer and get you your first job in crypto. For our next cohort, we have 15 seats available only. So if you are interested, apply now following the link down below. Alright, so let's get started. On the Web3 job market, you have two aspects. You have the offer and you have the demand. The offer is Web3 developers who offer their services to companies, and the demand is crypto companies who want to hire Web3 developers. So let's start with the offer. After this crash, some aspiring Web3 developers are going to give up. These developers are going to leave the market and go in other niche in software development. This means less offer on the job market, which means less competition for you, which is something positive for other Web3 developers. And the other part of the market is the demand, companies that want to hire Web3 developers. Some of these companies rely on external funding, either through VCs or retail investors. A lot of money has already been invested in crypto companies before the crypto crash. Once an investor sends money to a company, it's not possible to take it back. The money is in the bank and it belongs to the company. So the crypto crash has no influence on all the money that has already been invested. Now, where it can have an influence is for future investment. Typically, in a period where interest rates goes up and the market goes down, VCs start to be a little bit more cautious. I spoke with a few VCs. I also spoke with a few entrepreneurs who are raising money. And yes, they confirm that currently money is a little bit harder to get compared to a few months ago. But the deal flow hasn't stopped completely. You still have companies that are getting funded even in this environment. It's not like 2001 after the .NET bubble or 2008 after the financial crisis where everything stopped. Currently, it's only the weaker projects that aren't getting funded. The good projects are still getting funded, so it's not the end of the world. And beside all these projects that rely on external funding, you also have a lot of other projects that do not rely on external funding. I'm talking of established Web2 companies that are getting into Web3. And this is a huge part of the market. These companies already committed funds to Web3 projects. These decisions are taken on a long-term horizon and they won't be rolled back just because of the temporary crash. There is a lot of inertia. You have teams that are being trained, products that are being built. You cannot just stop this without consequences. So for all these Web2 companies that are getting into Web3, there won't be much of an impact from the recent crypto crash. Now, another aspect is the trading volume. Typically, when prices go down, the trading volume decreases, which means less trading fees for crypto exchanges like Coinbase or Binance. But these exchanges are just a small part of the crypto company, so I don't think what happens to them will significantly affect the job market for Web3 developers. And the last thing to keep in mind is that the crypto crash does not affect the potential of Web3. There is nothing in the code of Ethereum or Bitcoin that is related to the price of crypto. A crypto crash just means that some people recently panicked and decided to sell the crypto at a low price. It's their choice, but it doesn't reflect the choice of a majority of other crypto investors, of VCs, of developers and users. Web3 is such a big revolution. Revolutions do not happen smoothly. It's not going to be a straight line to final victory. You are going to see a lot of volatility, some other scary events, but crypto and Web3 are very resilient. The revolutionary ideas of Web3 are already out there and nothing can stop them. So don't be scared, Web3 jobs are still there. Commit for Web3 and commit long term. And before we finish, I would like to do a quick announcement. Next month in June, we are starting the next cohort of our Web3 Bootcamp. This is a 6-month program to turn you into a professional Web3 developer and get your first job in crypto. For our next cohort, we have 15 seats remaining. So if you are interested, apply now following the link down below. That's it for today. Bye.